Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about personal finance and business finance, as well as dividend for passive income. Okay, well, today we'll talk about the stock market. Tech stocks did rally. We had Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla did rally on the day. As you can see, I did post my day gains in Tesla, Ford, Okta, and SoFi. Okay, so I had some nice gains in these five stocks on the day. Good stocks: Apple, SoFi, and then as far as percentage wise, I had Microsoft up 1.35%, which is part of the AI, artificial intelligence. Ford Motor Company up 4.81%, Apple up 3%, and SoFi Technologies up over 4%. So those were some of my top stocks of the day. Now let's take a quick look at my Robinhood. Okay, here we are in the Robinhood, and as you can see, the portfolio was up 2.42% on the day, so it's a gain of over $41. As you can see, this is the flat line. This is where we break even, and as the morning went on, we opened up high, and we continued to elevate during the day. So on the day, we were up 2%, but I think overall we were down for the week. So let's take a look at the week. Okay, so for the week, we were up just slightly, 3.50%. And for the month, I believe we're down. Okay, so for the month, we're still down 3%. But again, for the day, we were up 2.42%. So good job happening here in the Robinhood. Now, let's take a quick look at some of those top stocks in the Robinhood portfolio. We did have quite a few stocks getting to a hot place today. We had Apple, as I mentioned, and we also had Meta. So Facebook today did gain over 6%. Facebook or Meta platforms gained quite a bit today, over 6.15%. And if we look at the last 3 months, Facebook has done a great job, up over 52% over the last 3 months. After they had earnings call, they mentioned that they would be more efficient. Okay, so Facebook up over 52% in the last 3 months. Okay, let's take a quick look at some other top stocks today. Ford shares were up. Ford was up 4.22% overall. Ford shares, let's see, for the day, up 4.22%. And again, Ford has kind of been up and down over the last month or so. If we look, it's bounced between $11 and $12. We look here. Okay, so as recently in February, it was down as low as $11.88, and today it's as high, back up around $13 per share. So again, Ford Motor Company, part of the EV revolution. They've got the F-150 Lightning and the Mach 1, both out where customers can buy them. Okay, and let's take a quick look at Tesla. Tesla being one of the top stocks today. Again, Tesla did have Investors Day earlier in the week on Wednesday. Some of the top investors went to Texas, and they were shown some of the new technology inside the new factory in Austin, Texas. So they did have Investor Day, and they were seeing a lot of inside information. Okay, so stock was up over 3.65% on the day. And again, the stock did rally earlier this year from the low of $110 up to as high as $214. Okay, so Tesla shares today rebounded just a little bit after falling slightly over the last week since Investor Day. Many analysts from Wall Street were not impressed with Investor Day. They did not get the new information they expected, but they did get information from Elon about the new executive team, the people that would be in place in case he decides to move on to another company. Okay, so Tesla shares were up today over 3.65%. Now let's take a quick look at the TD Ameritrade count. Okay, here we are in my TD Ameritrade account. Again, we were up 2.51% for a gain of $880. And again, Tesla led the way at 3.49 for a gain of $300. Second place, Ford, which I have a pretty good position, over 170 shares for a gain of $90. 4% gain. Okta up 5.73%. A good favorite of 2020 was up 5.73%. Back in the 80s, again, up from $70 for a total gain of $60. SoFi Technologies, the SoFi Bank, which does student loans and other banking products, personal loans as well, up 3.88% for a gain of $57. And lastly, I'm going to talk about Nvidia real quick. Nvidia, again, is powering the artificial intelligence and has been up over the last month quite a bit, over 20% over the last month. Nvidia is up today 2.10%. So those are some good stocks today that rallied. And let's take a quick look at the losers for the day. ChargePoint was down. Marvel Technologies was down. Wendy's was down. Okay, Wendy's is a dividend stock, so that's pretty decent if you buy Wendy's on a dip. Also, we don't know which charging station or company will become the primary one, but ChargePoint was down 1.95%. Again, I hold a nice stake in ChargePoint, a little over 100 shares in ChargePoint, okay? So those were some opportunities. Also, if you just like dividend stocks, let's see here. Qualcomm is a chip company. They were down slightly, just down 0.1, almost a tenth of percent. Qualcomm's a great stock. If you don't own Qualcomm, should take a look at them. Well, okay, so Qualcomm, Verizon, VZ, down slightly 0.35%. So overall, a good gain in the market. Again, the top stock was Tesla today for a gain of over $319. Ford in second place for a gain of 4.14%. So again, those are my top stocks of the day. Again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get started in your investment journey, please use my Robinhood link below. And everybody have a great weekend. See you next time.